There will be a layer of stretch film on the Wheel of Fortune. You need to remove the film layer the way I showed it. Let's see the return of Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune consists of 18 colored plexi compartments. The plexiglass product in the bars used looks very stylish and aesthetic. You can write and delete the partitions with a marker. The marker will appear in the package. You can write with a marker and delete the writing with the eraser on the marker cover. In this new model, the middle part does not rotate. I made this logo as an example. The middle part will come to you empty with no such action. You can add the logo you want. This is our business logo. The product will be sent to you empty. You can easily paste your own business logo sticker on it. Your logo is fixed here. The Wheel of Fortune is spinning. Logo customers clear one way you can see. Will be positioned at a right angle. At the bottom, you have a large advertising space. You want this field. You can apply stickers or foil coatings. Metal bearing was used in the wheel. Very sturdy and long-lasting. Indicator. Original Wheel of Fortune indicator. There is a QR code on the back of the wheel of the installation. You can read the QR code and install it very easily. The product comes disassembled in 6 pieces, and installation can take about 15 minutes.